I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Install the Discord desktop app and enable developer mode in user settings, right arrow, advanced so you can access app ID. Once done, open the game and confirm the executable path. This matters for overlays and rich presence. Now, create a new application in the Discord developer portal and copy its client ID. Make sure to keep the app set to a bot or rich presence client depending on your approach. This immediate prep avoids backtracking later. Next, integrate. Register your application and choose OAuth 2 scopes or rich presence features. Once you link the client ID in your game code, use Discord RPC or the official SDK to set activity fields, details, state, timestamps, and image assets for icons. Make sure to load assets via the developer portal so images display correctly. Test with a lightweight local script or plugin to confirm presence appears in Discord. This helps catch permission and path issues before full deployment. Finish by bundling the RPC or SDK libraries with your build and ensure config files contain the client ID and correct asset names, then deploy the game. Once deployed, verify the presence shows on Discord across platforms and confirm firewall or antivirus isn't blocking RPC traffic. If something fails, check the client ID, exact asset file names, and whether the app is published or in development. Often a mismatched name or blocked port is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.